Welcome back to the channel. Today we dive into a real police pursuit that unfolded on an ordinary afternoon, but quickly turned into a dangerous high-speed chase. Let's take a closer look at what happened that day on Interstate 530. On a hot afternoon in Arkansas, a silver car became a bullet on the highway, a symbol of chaos and defiance. For the officers watching, it wasn't just about speed. It was about stopping a threat before innocent lives were lost. This wasn't just a chase. It was a race against time, where every second mattered.
Speeds at 104, approaching 42 south.
Hey, back up 13 up to the PBI, back up.
Let me around, sorry. Fucking hands! Get out the car! Hands! 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 Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Got me covered?
Yeah, cuffed.
Hold on. Car's clear as all.
Hey, what's wrong with you, man? Could have killed somebody yourself. Yeah.
Hey, y'all, I'm good.
Sure.
Y'all had it?
Yeah.
Casey Register's attempt to outrun the law ended with twisted metal and flashing lights. His reckless choices could have cost lives, but thanks to swift police action, the threat was stopped before it was too late. But stay sharp. What happens next will take the danger to a whole new level. In the next chase, in the quiet early hours of October 29th, 2024, the streets of Nashville turned into a playground for chaos. Behind the wheel of a silver Dodge Challenger, 22-year-old Carlos Esquivel wasn't just driving recklessly, he was taunting danger itself. What started as a wild show on Korean Veterans Boulevard would soon explode into a direct attack on law enforcement, and a night Carlos would not escape from.
Contact to a 2021 December 201 and a Carlos off of Loon Drive in Nashville. And I saw it about
After crashing head-on into a police cruiser and fleeing into the night, Carlos Esquivel's reckless spree came to an end when he finally surrendered. Facing multiple serious charges, his night of chaos left behind more than just tire marks. It left consequences he couldn't outrun. A stolen truck, a reckless driver, and a city caught in the chaos. In Miami-Dade, Joseph Giannino's desperate flight left highways wrecked and his freedom shattered.
Driver! Lower all the windows! Driver! 1155, I got the signal 10, he's fleeing. We're gonna be 826 eastbound from 12.
826 eastbound from 12, is he on foot or is he on signal 10?
I'm behind a signal 10, black GMC Benally. It's gonna be a 28 of 47 Bravo, Zulu, Romeo, Quebec. We're gonna be eastbound 23. Alright, 23. I believe he's signal 4 the vehicle right now. Alright, towards the turnpike.
Time for 826 east going towards the turnpike.
He's going 12 whiskey. Now going on the turnpike, signal 4 versus a truck, and we gotta roll over. Let me see your hands! Let me see your
For it. 2026.
Joseph Giannino's reckless run ended in a mangled crash and a long list of charges. For a man already on probation this time, there was no escape. But chaos on the streets was far from over. In the next case, things spiral even faster, and the stakes get even higher. In the borderlands of Texas, under the watchful eyes of Operation Lone Star, danger moves fast and hides even faster. When a Dodge Charger dropped its human cargo and tried to outrun the law, it set off a high-speed pursuit that would expose much more than just reckless driving.
BP advising vehicles getting back on frontage.
Black t-shirts, blue jeans walking away from you. Those are going to be the individuals.
Northbound on Alamo.
Left turn on Ivy, left turn on Ivy.
Left turn on Ivy.
West on.
South on 12, south on 12. Back towards it.
South on 12.
There it is, signal 4. Nope.
Coming on to Luego Gloria.
Southwest on 27.
Can you see over there by the BBC 5
to pit unsuccessful. He's in the parking lot. Looks like a motel parking lot.
Whatever. Northbound, whatever.
Northbound row Longoria from 83.
Okay, you take a look. There's an agent spawning right now.
We got a pit. Black and white. Driver running.
Victor 20, go ahead.
Southbound and.
You better stop! You better stop!
Juan Xavier Rodriguez's run ended in handcuffs, exposing not just a smuggler, but a deeper network of crime hiding in plain sight. When a violent crime set a dangerous fugitive loose on Florida highways, it became a race against time. With real-time surveillance and fast action from deputies, the chase for Nicholas David Parchesco would push the limits of pursuit, and the stakes couldn't have been higher.
We're gonna need sticks probably on the vehicle. He's not gonna stop.
Get in the left lane, over 120 miles an hour. Let us know when you go over the bridge. We're gonna have suspects ready on the other side, up in 995.
Yeah, 10-4, we'll try to keep you updated. We're trying to keep up with him. He's going pretty fast. Lane, outside lane now, continued past the bridge. He's still northbound on I-95.
Bridge. He's still northbound on I-95. Believe he just tried to get stick. He continued. He's on the outside lane.
Down significantly. 158 northbound I-95.
I'm getting ahead.
Trying to cut into the main. He's going to get stuck. He's in the water. He made it. He might make it through, guys, if he can cut across. Back southbound.
Dispatch has been updated.
Nicholas Parchesco's reckless flight ended with his arrest, but the unanswered questions about the violent attack still cast a long shadow. Another chase over, another story unfinished. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. And remember, on these roads, danger is never far behind. Stay safe and stay tuned.